Mana hammaga salom. Men hozir USCISga dokumentimni topshirishga keldim. Ko'ramiz hozir ichlarini. Rasmga tushib ketgan ishdi, shuning uchun keldim. Mana bunaqa joy ekan, chiroyli joyda, lekin dokumentlarga kelishadi. Oyog'im zo'r yuribdi. Chunki zalda og'irroq ko'tarib yuborman ekan. Вот. Chiqib oldim. Tarash kerak chacha. Lekin men USCISdan chiqdim. Rasmga olishdi, bo'ldi, ketkizib yuborishdi. To'g'risi o'zi bir oyda chiqish kerak edi dokument. 2 oyda kutibman, chiqmadi. Chunki test prosesga $2000 ortiqcha to'laganman-da. Уже 2 oy bo'ldi chiqmadi. Endi shu rasmni so'rashdi, bilmayman, stoytmi bunaqa. Shunaqa. Juda ham manzarasi chiroyli ekan, ko'rsataman hozirgi atrof muhitni. Mana davlat ishxonalari Amerikada. Hozir endi anaqa ishlarni bitirdik. Endi o'zbek o'rtog'imga olib kelib tashlaganiga pul berishim kerak. Chunki avtobusda 1 soat yurgim kelmadi. 1 soat qiluvchi o'rtog'im tashlab ketsa, pulini beraman dedim-da. Вот. Shunaqa narsalarda uyalmanglar, birov tekinga qilishini kutmanglar. Prosta offer qilinglar. Masalan, vaqtingiz ko'proq ketsa, o'rta iltimos tashlab kel, mana shuncha beraman desanglar, hech kim sizlarga yo'q demaydi. Prosta chunki hozir hammani vaqti pul turadi. Uni qadrlash kerak. U o'rtoqlarmi yo'qmi? Ito olib borib kelayotgani sizlar uchun boshqa anaqa narsada. Chunki ko'chadagi Uberlar babro qimmat. Masalan, olib borib $80 ga olib borib kelardi. O'rtog'ingizga $30, $40 bersanglar, masalan, jon deydi. Shunaqa. Mana sizlarga atrofni ko'rsatib turaman. Hozir bizga shu sizlarga pastda ko'rsatgan laptoplarim bor edi. Qimmat kompyuterlarni olib bergan biznesmen kishi keldi. O'sha bilan rasmga tushib berishimiz kerak. Rahmat deyishimiz kerak. Shunaqa bizga investitsiya qilgani uchun. Amerikada bitta qiziq narsa bor. Boylar har doim maktablarga nimadir ular olib berishadi. Yo'qmasam bizning kontraktlar esa qimmat, $30,000-$40,000 bo'lsa ham. Lekin ikkita yaxshi firmani boylari kelib, "Men nima qilib beringlarga?" deydi-da. Bizga mana shunaqa narsa keraksa, $1-3 million shunday tikib bizga berib ketishadi. O'shanaqaligi. Hozir majlisdamiz, rasmlarga tushib bo'ldik, gaplashamiz chunki
you're applying to law school, working in finance, and you're doing hackathons?
Well, I mean, think about it though. Like, the future is just going to be, it's all going to be pure science. It's like you have to have some base understanding.
traininglarni instructors.
And then how the presentations go, whoever needs to leave for classes can go do that. Yeah, and then we'll all come back in.
Hammaga salom. Bugun ertalabdan ishga ketaman. Endi ertalab emas, o'zi 11, men uchun ertalab. Bugun ishimiz bor, keyin bugun to'y bor. Bitta o'zbek kishi to'y qilib beryaptilar. Hayit o'zi bugun Arafa kuni. Hayit kuni. No uylantirayotganlar sababli osh qilib berishyapti. Ofitsial hayitimiz yana shanba kuni bo'ladi. Buni ham ko'rsataman kimlar kelishini. Bugun qanaqadir to'yimiz bor.
Could we do 9 and 10? Yeah, on Thursday.
Yeah, I would say it wouldn't need more than 30 minutes. Let me look at Jeremy's calendar, since he's now the staff person who's going to be taking this on. So I do want you to connect with him anyway. Okay.
Friday?
It went well. I think it was interesting speakers, and when Kiera was there, so she.
Vision you had in mind?
So that's what we put up, especially if you're going to try and recreate.
Hop, bizda mana yangi qiz bilan. Bu yangi grafik dizayner. That's for my YouTube. Follow me. Hozir frame'lab qo'yamiz. Hammaga salom. Biz hozir to'yga ketamiz.
She'll get she will
So
attend
how's it?
online like a Zoom meeting.
To'yga ketamiz.
Yeah.
Hammaga salomimizda yetib keldik. Hozir juda ham chiroyli joydamiz. Mana bizning view и anti mana to'y bo'lyapti. Hozir to'yga boramiz. Bunday o'ynaydigan to'y emas ekan, menimcha обычный просто yig'ilishga o'xshagan narsa bo'lyapti. Hozir anaqalarni kutib boramiz.
I want to get green card from him.
If you ask someone,
From him first. And he said, if you jump first, then I will jump after you. So that's why I'm asking
so
from
you
you.
ask you.
Mana bami kelin ekan kadroychi.
Not everyone is like you. Everything video.
I'm vlogging for my YouTube. Mana mamki keldik biz.
I'm one.
I'm in my 20s,
Just tell them you have a kid.
late 20s, middle 20s. Alaba, do you like our weddings? Good. Yes.
So with the salad.
How is it?
It's good.
It's good?
That's really good. Get some salad in there.
Did you like it?
That's good stuff right there, yeah.
Okay.
Mm.
You don't like talking? I feel like you do like talking, but you're not good at socializing.
Yeah.
Let me film it. We brought me a trims. Oh my god! Wow, thank you.
You like it?
Have I like it? Okay. Bunaqa joyga keldik, yoga qildik hozir. Mana
Please give it up one more
bo'ladi.
time for Yoga Grandma.
Hi, Isolda's mom. I forced her to come out. She didn't want it to come out.
And it is a membership-based warehouse retail club and allows
Analysis, we can see the market is really good, and there is space for Boeing to do better as the demand is.
For 10-year risk-free rate, then I feel Bloomberg like 2-year data says 1.25x. I feel the market was pretty.
Risk analysis. So to start off with the investment summary,
Bizda bugun business plan competitionda mana shunaqa snacklar berishadi. Oxirgi anaqa biznes planlaringlarni aytasizlar. Investorlar keladi, pitch qilishadi hozir. Bu ovqatlar biz endi gruppovoy hozir Radhok fan bilan ovqatlanishga ketyapmiz restoranga, shuning uchun bu tiliga tegmayapmiz. Hozir Amerikada mana shunaqa snacklar bo'ladi. Juda zo'r emas lekin ham mazali ekan. Mana business plan competition degi business planlar, business nimadir business ideyalar. Tipa bu to'g'ri degan ekan, qanaqadir app bo'lsa kerak. Bu Rumi, masalan, convenient amenities, student verification. Manchu studentlarga bo'lsa kerak. Studentlarni dormigada adayni qilishgan. Excuse me. Bu boshqa anaqalarga bizneslarga manba boshqa biznesga SIM raising and leased globally nima business va boshqa. Hozir boshlanadi, hali boshlangani 6 da boshlansa kerak, soat 5. Biza bugun fandimizning oxirgi haftasi bo'lgani uchun restoranga olib kelishdi. Mana narxlar. $20, $26, 17, yana go'shtni qo'shsanglar bo'ladi. Ovqatlarimiz mana bunaqa ovqatlar ko'rsanglar bo'ladi. Restoran. O'sha o'tgan safar kelganimiz faqat yorug'roq bugun. Hozir ovqatlanamiz endi.